Jai Shri Swaminarayan. I am writing some numbers on board. Yes. Dear students, what are these numbers? क्या है ये, कौन से नंबर है? ऐसे ही कोई नंबर लिख दिए और समथिंग एल्स? Yes, dear students, this is the population of world. So, which is world for population, and this is the population of our India. So, population of India. Now, you will think that इसकी क्या ज़रूरत है, ये मैंने क्यों लिखा है? Yes, इतने सारे people है, these many people, they all need food to eat, they all need clothes, all these people, they need the necessary things which we are using in daily life. Yes, dear students, today I will teach you class 8 subject science and lesson number 1 crop production and management. Have you ever think कि इतने सारे पीपल है तो सबका खाना कैसे जाता होगा, सब कैसे हम प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं इतने सारे पीपल को? हाउ वी कैन प्रोवाइड क्लोथ्स टू देम? एंड डे बाय डे डिफॉरेस्टेशन अकर्स, इंक्रीज हो रहा है डिफॉरेस्टेशन, तो इसके लिए कुछ तो वे होगा, कुछ तो एक आइडिया होगा. यस, दैट इज crop production, but that is not sufficient word. Only production, that is the wrong way. सिर्फ production होता जाएगा, but how to use them? उसमें से जो wastage होगा उसको कैसे हम recover करेंगे? So for that we have to do management. Okay. Now you will think that crop production, that is enough. Only crop का production करना, सिर्फ खाने के लिए जीना, that is not a right way to live, but we have to produce clothes, we have to produce so many other things like furniture, the different things which we are using from animals, plants, etc. So to explain all this term, that clothes, food, necessary things, I have one particular word which is, you can see, agriculture. This word defines all these things. Okay, so if you want to note down the definition of agriculture, I am writing on board. Write down growing plants and rearing animals for food, clothing and other useful products and other useful products is called agriculture. Now, growing plants and rearing animals. Rearing, that means ki we can remove hair from animals body, and that hair we can use to make a sweater and winter clothes, etc. Not only that, but you can make some ornaments and other things. Rearing animals for food, clothing and other useful product is called agriculture. Okay, so clear about agriculture. Now we are moving to the next step. In India, 70% people, they are dependent on farming, that you all are know. Okay, now generally we are following 3 seasons, which is winter, summer and monsoon. These 3 seasons are coming after 4 months. Okay, so these seasons are dividing our crops into 2 main group, which is Kharif and Rabi. See, whatever crop is produced, जो भी क्रॉप यानी आपको सबको पता है ना, जो भी क्रॉप प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है वो ऐसे नहीं होगा कि आप किसी भी सीजन में उसको सो कर दो एंड आपको पूरा प्रोडक्ट जो है वो कभी भी मिल सकता है. नो, एवरी cereals or every pulses or any crop, they have some particular temperature to grow. They need some humidity. So जो भी है वो एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के साथ सेट होता है. उनको ह्यूमिड कितना चाहिए, उनको टेम्परेचर कितना चाहिए, सनलाइट कितनी चाहिए, वो सब किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है, हमारे सीजन्स के ऊपर. ओके, नाउ सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट हमारे जो भी क्रॉप्स हैं उसको 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है, खारिफ एंड रबी क्रॉप. नाउ आई विल गिव यू अ स्मॉल इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट खारिफ क्रॉप्स एंड rabi crops. Generally, kharif crops are called rainy crops because they are growing in rainy season. Okay, in June they are planted and in October they harvested to the from the their field. Rabi crops, they planted in summer winter portion, so they are called winter crops. They are generally planted into November or December and they are harvested into March or April. Okay, so these are the small introduction. This is the small introduction of kharif and rabi crops. Example of kharif crops are paddy, maize, and example of rabi crops is wheat, then gram, pea, mustard, etc. Okay, if you want to note down, you can write like this. Because this kind of questions are coming in exam in 1 or 2 marks in the form of objectives. So you can write crops, kharif and rabi, planted and harvested, planted into June harvested into October. These rabi are planted into November and harvested into March. These are monsoon crops, these are winter crops. Example, paddy, maize, soya bean, so many examples are there. And here of rabi crops, example, gram, wheat, etc. Okay, this is clear. Now I am explaining something about crops. जो फार्मर है वो ओनली क्रॉप को लगा देने से क्या आपका क्रॉप अच्छे से आ जाएगा? जो फील्ड में, इन विच फील्ड फार्मर इज सोइंग द सीड, उस वो अपने आप उग जाएगा? नो, फॉर दैट यू हैव टू गिव वाटर इन पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट. In particular amount they need sunlight. So this is one kind of sequence, which is these all activities are going in one sequence. So that sequence, that activity in series is called agricultural practices. Agricultural practices, this word defines that farmer is doing all this process step by step. So that agricultural practices, I am writing on board that these many of steps are counted in your crop production. Agricultural practices. Now, the first step of agricultural practices is, सबसे पहले फार्मर को क्या करना पड़ेगा? Soil preparation. So, the first step of agricultural practices is soil preparation. चलो, soil prepare हो गई, ऐसे ही कर देंगे? No, soil को पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमें एक लेवल करना पड़ेगा, प्लो यानी कि टर्निंग द सॉइल, जो ऊपर वाली सॉइल है उसको नीचे, देन नीचे वाली सॉइल को ऊपर, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लोइंग. प्लोइंग, लेवलिंग, फर्टिलाइजर वी हैव टू ऐड टू फर्टाइल अवर सॉइल. ओके, सो इन फर्स्ट स्टेप 3 another steps are came, that is plowing, leveling and add fertilizers. This we will study in detail after this agricultural practices step. Now फार्मर ने सॉइल तो प्रिपेयर कर ली, अब क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to add seeds. Okay, the next step, that is selection and sowing of seeds. कोई भी सीड्स उड़ा के डाल देंगे क्या फार्मर में? नो, वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट सीड्स which is having a good quality. Okay, so selection and sowing of seeds, then we can add seeds into land. Now our soil is already prepared, we had sow the seeds. Now what is the third step? That is irrigation. You have to provide water in sufficient amount. Okay, irrigation, that means ki apply water, watering of crops. Fourth step, weeding and crop production. Weeding and crop protection. Weeding. What do you mean by weeding? Weeds, which is extra plant, which is harmful to our crops. Okay, so that extra plant, जो plant के साथ पता है छोटे 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 निकल आते हैं, हाँ, that we have to cut. And crop protection. Crop protection that means कि छोटे छोटे small small जो कीड़े होते हैं उसको भी हमें सेव करना है. How? By applying some chemicals. So weeding and crop protection, and the last one it is harvesting and storage. Harvesting that means ki take out plant from your field, and then storage that means ki store it somewhere where no moisture is there. Okay, in sunlight they can dry. Okay, so this is agricultural practices. Students, you can note down this thing. This is the basic idea of this chapter. Now from next video I will explain this plowing, leveling and add fertilizer, and how we can select and sow the seeds. Okay, some methods are there in every step, different methods are there. So please read this chapter. You can see so many videos according to this in YouTube. Okay, if you have any doubt, meet me into Team Microsoft. Thank you. Jai Shri Swaminarayan.